Hey, fuckwad. Why the fuck are you calling this phone?
The fuck are you talking about? I didn't call this number.
Why did you call this fucking phone?
What?
Why did you call this fucking phone? Fuck ass.
The fuck are you talking about? I ain't never called no fucking number, dude.
Nobody called you, asshole.
What?
What, you got nothing better to do but keep dialing on the phone, you asswipe?
I don't even know who you are, man.
Why don't you be a man and call from a real number?
You can call it from a blocked number or wherever the fuck you're calling from. I don't know
All
who you are.
stuck in your throat, you fuck ass. Why are you so fucked up, asshole?
I don't know you.
What?
Oh shit, wasn't it?
Take a fucking sledgehammer to your fucking kneecaps, you little piece of shit.
Who the fuck is this?
Why are you so fucked up, asshole?
Who the fuck is this?
Frank Garrett.
Who?
Frank Garrett.
I don't know you. I've never heard that name before in my life.
What, you got nothing better to do but keep dialing on the phone, you asswipe?
What the fuck are you talking about?
You want me to fucking fuck your face in, bitch? Goddamn whip.
Dude, I don't know who the fuck you are. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. I've never called your fucking number before, so leave me the fuck alone.
Why don't you be a little man and tell me who you are?
You don't need to know who the fuck I am.
What are you, asshole?
I don't know. Maybe you should get your fucking facts straight before you just start calling random ass fucking numbers. How about that, smart guy?
Why did you call this fucking phone?
Oh man, what's up?
Son of a bitch, you hid behind this phone long enough. Why don't you come down and see me?
I don't even understand what you're talking about, man.
I'm having trouble hearing you. I'm on the cell phone. Who are you, buddy?
What?
I'd sure like to know who you are. Bitch.
Why? No, that's stupid. Why am I gonna let you? I don't know. How the fuck did you get this number, first of all?
Who are you, buddy?
What?
I don't know.
You don't know how you got this number?
No. You
Are you drunk or something? You are fucking retarded. Stop calling my fucking phone, dude.
I bet you're the ugliest son of a bitch in 9 counties.
You ain't gonna do shit. You're just drunk or some shit. I don't know what the fuck you're doing over there. Fucking playing with yourself or drinking a beer. I don't know what the fuck you're doing. You got the wrong fucking number. Whoever you're trying to reach, you need to fucking look that shit up more. You're all fucked up right now.
Kansas. Liverpool, California.
Oh, okay, we're done. We're done. Stop calling me.
Yeah.
What?
Just bitch, I ain't afraid of you, motherfucker. Where you from?
Who the fuck is this?
You don't know when I'm gonna show up. You better watch your front door. Oh, your front door now. Oh, and maybe I'm coming around the apartment. I'm coming around your house. Uh-oh. I'm standing behind you in the line at the store. You don't know where I'm at.
Okay. And then where you go there playing Ninja or some shit?
You fucking motherfucker. You're a homeless, unemployed motherfucking retard.
Yeah. Whatever, bro.
You get a room at that fucking motel, that freebie motel again? Well, you ought to know you eat it, motherfucker.
I don't even know who you are.
When you're in jail, you wouldn't say that.
So who is this? I'm interested now.
It's God.
Come on.
Ain't that looking?
Come on, man. Dude. All right, you know where I'm at. Come on, then.
Texas.
What?
Washington.
Washington.
Missouri.
Dude, do you know where I fucking live?
California.
Yeah, right. So, I don't know. Nobody in fucking Washington.
Kentucky.
What?
Kansas.
What?
Arkansas.
Yep.
Missouri.
Don't know nobody out there either.
Texas.
You got the wrong fucking dude. Fucking retarded.
Mohammed. I'm probably smarter than half the people in your town. Probably more than 3/4 of the people in your town.
Alright, you know where I'm at then, dude. Come on.
Is that all you can say? They're only about $3,000 a month.
The fuck are you talking about, dude? You're a fucking retard. Stop calling my fucking phone.
State full of fucking a whole lot of retards.